The government is promising that this new housing plan will succeed where others have failed. And one thing they didn't get right in the past was in setting their housing targets. The last plan, Housing for All, set a target of 41,000 new homes this year, rising to 60,000 homes by 2030. This new plan ditches those targets. It does keep the overarching target of 300,000 homes by 2030, but a slowdown in construction this year, coupled with rising demand, means that it will accept that those annual targets won't be met. The plan, called Building Homes and Delivering Communities, once again promises to end homelessness. It just doesn't say by when. To do so, it promises a €100 million fund next year to provide social housing to the people who've been waiting longest in emergency accommodation. It also promises to ease planning restrictions so that people can convert their home without planning permission to make individual units under one roof. This, for example, would provide separate living spaces for an older person living with their adult children who might be still at home. There will be a new derelict property tax of at least 7%. Currently, there's a derelict property levy, and that's collected by local authorities, meaning it's usually not paid until a property is sold. This will be changed to ensure it's collected and managed by revenue. The plan promises to build 12,000 new social homes per year, and it will boost the funding to the Land Development Agency. On rent, it references the new rules around rent pressure zones, and it says that the only way to bring down the costs of rent are to increase supply. The government will argue that this plan is the most ambitious and biggest investment in housing to date, and it knows that a lot of its political reputation will depend on it.